Hello. Um, my name is Michael Lee, and I'm Senior Product Manager at Windlever. And I'm mostly managing the productization of the MeeGo platform that are delivered from Intel and open source community. And today, I would like to introduce what is our main activity regarding to MeeGo, and what is our biggest goal with our mission statement, and what we are going to achieve in near future with the MeeGo platform. This is a main subject of my presentation today, and I would like to show you a small example and demonstration before I go my presentation. Some of them you probably already see this in the outside, and this is the example what Windlever is trying to deliver the value of MeeGo into the market. But apparently MeeGo is needed to be improved more. So we actually added some of the value inside of the MeeGo, especially in the graphic transition impact in accordance to this device form type, and also trying to build more applications that are needed for the, this kind of a device. If you see in here, there is lots of applications that are, they're showing the strengths or key competitiveness of MeeGo. One example is like if we, there is a MeeGo multi-touch framework inside, but there is no, the available application to show that strengths. So we developed a very shortened application in here. And let me have a couple of seconds. And I can use it just one hand to use, but I can use the two hands. This demonstration actually shows our position, the Windlever's position of MeeGo, because we are standing between MeeGo developer and market need. And this is the, our missions. And this is something what I am going to explain you today with my presentation. So let me introduce what is the Windlever platform for MeeGo, and what the Windlever guys are doing with MeeGo. Our mission statement is, we are doing everything based off on open source MeeGo. We are not trying to build something duplicate one from the open source or from Intel. We are using the exactly same thing. But we are going to add up the values, some of them in the business side, some of them in technology side. One example is like, there is needed about the validation tool of MeeGo, because once MeeGo come into the certain types of the commercial project, then quality assurance or testing are the most stressful of the job. And if someone brings the very well-defined automated tool, then this is a good value to promote MeeGo's value into the market, and it helps MeeGo to be widely and fastly applied to the market. We are developing the kind of commercial level of the validation tool for MeeGo, and this is one example of the value. So our mission statement is, Windlever is trying to help MeeGo to be applied for the market very fastly and very widely with our own values. This is our mission statement. And the vertical devices, what Windlever is targeting or focusing today is tablet and handset. Because MeeGo is delivering, could be applied to very diverse and various kind of device form factors. But Windlever is a kind of the commercial company. So it's better to focus the certain types of the device for the first time than extend it in generally. So we are trying to build the good values and improve the MeeGo itself for the handset profiles and also tablet profiles. And you just saw the one demonstration from mine with the tablet device form factor. And our activity is trying to hardening and improve the lots of MeeGo software stacks to meet the market and customer requirement, because Wind deliveries generally need to work for the commercial project with the customer. So we are trying to enhance system services with the MeeGo platforms and platform services with the MeeGo platform, application services. So we trying to optimize MeeGo to be fitted to certain types of the device or platform requirement from the customer or from the market. And this is a very typical example what Wind Deliver is trying to deliver the value to the market. In the user experience improvement, this is another example that you see. 1 second, please. This. Okay. You're watching the one picture in here, and this is the phone book application. And I was always thinking that it's around midnight. I actually wanted to make the one phone call to my friend, but it's almost getting midnight, so I'm afraid that he is already in the bed, and I am bothering him with my phone call. If that kind of happens, how our intelligent user interface design could help to avoid or to help to use the MeeGo handset. So we are thinking to have that kind of present and availability enabled with the phone book that enhance the MeeGo phone books. So you see here, this icon actually shows Adrian is already awakened and she's still okay to catch up the phone call, while Matt Damon in here is only available with text messages. The other guy in here, Jean, is not available, and she just wanted to, she already turned off the phone. Why this user interface design is important is currently MeeGo has a really good the UI frameworks and offer lots of good ecosystem and with the good software toolkits. But feature enhancement like this, sharing my status with my buddy in MeeGo handset, this feature has not been realized yet. And Wind Deliver's design, user interface design, improvement of MeeGo is trying to build that kind of a small value but useful to the market. So first example. The second example is I've shown you these two multi-touch in here. So multi-touch framework exists in MeeGo. But what if I can choose the two hand with just one single touch that execute certain types of the service or application like this? So I'm currently listening to music. And this is the title of the song. This is the singer. And this is the album art. I just choose here and touch here too. So I wanted to know about this song in more information, more deeply, and what about the upcoming event. So once I choose it, once I press or click the screen with my two fingers at the same time, here and here, then it automatically asks you the contextual menus with the relevant actions, like I wanted to explore music stores or webs or local storages. And it automatically, MeeGo handset automatically search all of the information, relevant information from the web or from any other information source. They're showing you like this. So what this song is and where the artist information is stored, or where is the upcoming event with this song or with this singer. This is an example, just an example, because user interface is a huge work coverages, and it cannot be simply just explained. But I would like to show the phone book with Wind Deliver design would be enabled with the kind of a present and availability functions, or the music player with the Wind Deliver design would be enabled you to use just two fingers at the same time, and just one click makes you for the information gathering like this.